In this video, you will learn how to use dual pricing. If this feature is not enabled for your TPN, please contact your agent and ask them to enable it for you. Now, let's learn how to do it. First, enter the product amount. Then, click OK. When this prompt appears, present the device to your customer. Now, the customer can add a tip if they wish. If display fee on tip line is enabled for your TPN, the fee amount will be clearly displayed on the breakup screen. And the receipt. Based on the fee percentage that was set by the agent, the device will automatically calculate the card price. The customer can then choose their preferred mode of payment. If you wish to remove the fee during a transaction, simply click on the scissor icon at the top. Select the specific fee you'd like to remove. You'll notice that the fee amount will be instantly deducted from the transaction. Thanks for watching.